I'm giving compliment to my own food. I spent so much time cooking and he wanted me to feed him. You know what's the best thing to do while you're cooking? Carmichael. Today I'm gonna show you how to make my favorite chicken dishes. Basically it's chicken, stir-fried chicken.
I love chicken!
With fungus. These tiny ones. The small fungus. Mushroom. Celery. Peppers. Little bit of broccoli. I already cut them up. And then I'm gonna plate it with broccoli and cauliflower. I don't like plating whenever I cook, but for making the video, to make it prettier, so I have to do the plating. Before I'm going to start chopping the vegetables, I am going to stir fry my broccoli and cauliflower first, because they will take some time to stir fry. I already cut up the broccoli and cauliflower. I use coconut oil for my cooking most of the time. You can use any oil that you want. For the broccoli and cauliflower, I just do a basic stir fry, just some oil, garlic, and then salt, garlic powder, and that's it. Timo's back. He's back visiting me in the kitchen. Just waiting for the pan to heat up a little bit so that I can stir fry the vegetables. It's taking a long time, I'm waiting. I'm gonna add the garlic and stir fry the vegetables. Guys, the broccoli and cauliflower are optional. You don't have to make that if you just want to eat the meat with the pepper, celery, and fungus. If you can't get that, you don't have to get that. You could just use mushrooms, any mushrooms. First, I'm gonna chop up some ginger and mushrooms. You don't have to cut any of the vegetables perfect. Just as long as it's not too big a piece. The broccoli and the cauliflowers are almost done. I'm just gonna add some salt and garlic powder, and that's it. So I'm gonna turn it off, let the vegetables sit in the pan, and let it soften by itself. Do you guys multitasking while you cook? I have to film, I have to cut my vegetables, and waiting for the vegetable to be cooked. For some people it may be challenging, but for me, I like to cook while I'm doing something because I don't like just stand there and wait for the one dish to be finished and then making another one. Anyways, my favorite part to cut the onions. For the onions, you just slice them. They don't need to be diced or anything. My eyes always burned when I cut the onions. Okay, the onion is done. Last thing, just have to cut the meat. I use different cutting board so that they don't get contaminated. You can use chicken thighs or chicken breast. It's up to you. I defrost my chicken breast, so I always buy my meat from Costco because they're cheaper and then they're chunkier. For the chicken, I diced them. If you want your meat to be more flavorful, I will recommend you to marinate it the night before. You can use soy sauce, salt, and add a little bit oil and flour if you want to make the chicken cook more tender. Next step, I'm gonna stir fry the chicken first. I don't want the chicken to be overcooked or undercooked. I'm gonna cook the chicken just a little bit undercooked, and then I'll cook the vegetables and then mix the chicken together. Okay, the pan is hot. I'm gonna stir fry the chicken. First, add some oil, just a little bit of ginger. This chicken dish goes well with rice. You can steam your rice and then put a layer of the rice on the bottom and then have the chicken on the top if you want. You should try it next time if you're not doing keto. The chicken is almost ready. I'm gonna add some salt and a little bit of soy sauce. This is the keto soy sauce. This soy sauce doesn't have sugar and flour, so it's basically water, soya beans, salt, organic alcohol. I don't know what kind of alcohol they use, yeah. And then it's very low in calorie too. Do 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. This is only for coloring right now. later on we're gonna add more soy sauce. And then add a little bit of garlic powder. I like to put garlic powder in almost all of my food. Actually, not my soup. I homemade soup sometimes, but I don't put them in my soup. I'm gonna transfer them into a bowl. So I'm gonna stir fry the vegetables. Add the ginger in, onion. I think I like mushroom, but Evan loves mushroom. Let it cook for about 3 minutes. Let it soft and turn a little golden brown. You know what's the best thing to do while you're cooking? Have a glass of drink for yourself. But because we're doing keto, I can't have red wine, I can't have white wine or beer. So I'm gonna have a little bit of vodka with sparkling water and lemon. Cheers, guys. The onions and mushrooms are ready. I'm gonna add the fungus. This is a lot. I'm gonna use 2 handfuls. The fungus cook very quickly. So next I'm gonna add the broccoli and the chicken together. Next I'm gonna add the condiments, salt, pepper, and then garlic powder and a little bit more soy sauce. And also I'm gonna add some sesame oil. It tastes really yummy with the sesame oil. The sesame oil is very strong. You don't need to add too much. All right, lastly I'm gonna add the celery and the peppers. I like it when they're a bit raw, that's why I add it at the end. Let's just mix well, let it cook for 2 minutes and we're done. I don't like plating, but some people they like plating. For me, as long as the food is tasty, I'm good with that. And I'm sorry I'm using my hands, but my hands are clean. I wash a million times when I'm cooking. Look at this, guys. Wow, wow, wow. It smells so good. I'm giving compliment to my own food. Sometimes I make chicken with cashew nuts and it's really tasty too. Basically almost the same ingredient but no peppers and no broccoli. The dinner is ready. The dinner is served. Evan is playing League of Legends and he's streaming from Twitch. I'm gonna bring it in. He will eat when he's ready. But I'm gonna catch his reaction.
Wish me luck. Good luck.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Evan is playing League of Legends.
Yep.
Streaming from Twitch.
I am.
He asked me to feed him.
Okay.
Can you guys imagine?
I said if you want it to me,
I spent so much time cooking and he wanted me to feed him.
You don't have to listen. Why are you so angry? Come on.
Okay, you dive.
They're not. Oh, so close. Come on.
You dive. You dive.
Oh.
Yummy?
Oh man.
Should eat it right
Oh. Mmm. What is that? For soy sauce or something?
A little bit of soy sauce. Well, some soy sauce and then sesame oil. It's yummy?
Mmm. Oh my god. The seasoning is stellar.
Okay, here.
Oh?
Mushroom and then pepper.
Oh, the mushroom. Oh, the chicken. The seasoning on the chicken is next level.
See, I make yours so pretty.
Thank you.
Is it yummy? 2 thumbs up?
2 thumbs up. I can't give them right now because I'm playing, but there you go. How's that? You like that?
Yes, yes.
All right.
Evan's stressed out.
I'm not stressed out.
No?
Just occupied.
Are you winning?
No.
Did you win your game?
I won the first one. We carried it. That was stomped. We crushed that. But this one we're losing. I'm 0-2, and our team is 5-7. So not the greatest game, but it's winnable. It's coming. Winnable.
Okay, enjoy your game.
All right. Much
I'm gonna
love.
eat too.
All right. Enjoy. Have fun, guys.
All right, I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. I hope you guys have a great day. And then I hope you guys like the recipe that I shared with you. If you want to see how I make tuna salad, please check out the video next to me. I'll see you there. Bye, guys.